Hello YouTubers. I'm in this Faculty of Education Science lab at Mcgill University. The view is pretty good. So the lab has many animals. I'm just gonna take a little peek at them. That's I think a water dragon. Animals eat worms and crickets. It's like a salamander in there. I don't know, there's some other type of lizard. He's camouflaged. He looks like a piece of marble. There's a snake in there. It's a coral snake. Sorry, the room's a little dark. I didn't turn on the lights. Hopefully my camera is good in the low light. So here are two lizards. I don't know what type of lizards they are. So, the thing about lizards is they can stay still, completely still for like minutes. Like, there's a turtle. He likes to be on camera. He's never seen a camera before. He's a movie star, you know what I'm talking about? So that's the movie star turtle, man. He has a rock. He sometimes tries to get up on it. He always needs help. So he eats these little fish thingy, if you see it. Turtles are amazing, man. This one is like a movie star, so he's even better. He's usually really like quiet, but like once the camera is on him, he shines. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, it's the lab. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe if you wanna. You know your homeboy Ali is always keeping a gangster. Today here at the Faculty of Education at McGill University's Science Lab. Bye.